Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Wiwik Martika. I am a STEM Amigmano student. Here I will introduce learning application that will help young people more easily access learning material so they can learn anywhere and anytime with just a smartphone. Yes, this application is called Ruang Guru. This application is one of startup companies in Indonesia. I hope investor will be interested to joining this company because this application is very interesting and extraordinary. Okay, here I will start explaining about Ruang Guru application. Don't worry, because in this Ruang Guru application, there are lots of discounts and voucher if you subscribe to this application. Next, I will explain about background, function, feature, about Ruang Guru, and contents. Okay, here is the CEO founder and CEO of a startup engaged in the field of education Ruang Guru, Adamas Belfasya Devara and Iman Usman. Next, background. Ruang Guru are technology-based providers and educational content. They appear on easy application using only internet networks on various gadgets, one smartphone. Ruang Guru can be used by elementary, junior high school, and senior high school students. Next function. First, improving teachers' quality by creating jobs and additional revenue for teachers in Indonesia. He said the rupiah was expected to continue to strengthen to Rp 9.100 per dollar in Jakarta Interbank Spot Market on Tuesday. Second, Ruang Guru also believe that technology make it easier for students to access quality learning materials wherever they are. Ruang Guru can help the student learning process with no space and time constraint. We also believe that technology can help students, teachers, and parents to pursue their activities more effectively and efficiently. And then there are some interesting features in the Ruang Guru application. 1. Notification feature if there is a new learning video. The new study room feature in the first teacher's room is the automatic notification feature when there is a new learning video. If there is a new video, will appear on the title of the material in the study room. It's new. With the automatic notification feature like this, it will be easy for students to find out if there are new learning videos. The concept of learning videos also prioritizes quality so that learning video remain interesting and easy to understand. 2. Video timeline feature. The timeline feature in the study room allows students to choose the table of contents available at the bottom of the learning video. So, if you want to watch the subject matter for a particular minute, you can select the material in the table of content available at the bottom of the learning video. But the video timeline feature is only available for class 12 only, but it is not impossible. This feature will also be provided for other class. Okay, next 3 levels of training topics from easy level to expert level. Next, the next new feature in the study room is the level of training topic from easy level to expert level. So you can check yourself to be able to conquer difficult question. So get ready, gangs, to challenge yourself to know the level of your ability to answer question. 4. Problem bank feature. Problem bank features such as tryout. There are each subject of natural science, social science, and various types of package. Because the UTS and UAS are even and odd semester, UN to SBMPTN. Each package also has question with 40 or 50 question with a time span of 1.5 hours to hours. Okay, next 5. Live teacher room features. Took the live teacher room feature, you can find a variety of discussion of subject matter directly with the master teacher, discussion on topic from school to university to live quiz with prize. 6. Recommended learning feature. One of the great features of the teacher study room is the learning recommendation. This feature will recommend it to you lesson that you should be more comfortable with. The way this feature works is that the advantage both from the teacher's room will analyze your study habits, your learning style, question that you often work on, so this feature will be able to find out what your weaknesses are in any material. So this feature will recommend you to learn things that must be improved upon by you guys. 7. Challenge level feature. This feature is like game. Every time you manage to pass an exercise, your learning topic will be rewarded in the form of XP and gold. Later, this reward can be used to upgrade your level to a high level. So this feature is like an exciting and challenging game. The last is avatar features. So in addition to learning, you can also design your own avatar that suits your desires. Certainly, with the existence of this feature will make you eager to learn using the only online learning application Teacher's Room. In addition to the new features about that are in the study room, there are still other features that are no less good in the teacher's room. The following are the features of the teacher's study room. Now I explain about Ruang Guru. First, there are thousands of learning video. The first feature of the teacher's room is a learning video package with animation and taught by the best tutors that make it easy for children to understand each material taught in the learning video. Second, practice question and discussion. The teacher room also provides practice exercise and discussion feature. Practice question and discussion will help solve children's interaction on the subject matter being studied. Third, Bimbel module summary. Next, the feature provided by the teacher's room are any material that is present, visually appealing, and can be downloaded as material for learning. And the last, teacher room learning curriculum. Okay, this is an example of the look of the Ruang Guru application. So this is an explanation about Ruang Guru application. In my opinion, this application is very helpful for elementary, middle, high school students. So they enjoy learning because there are so many student materials, question and exercise, quiz, interesting learning video, and experienced tutors. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.